Hi, Bean Beauties, Dita Bean here. How are you doing today? I just got off a live a little bit after 8 something. Today is July the 31st. I have a random box. Kristen D, Another Chance Resale. She does lives. She will do. She sells her. She's a reseller. She sells her resale items via video release, and then she will do clearance lives where there will be starting $2 bids and up. Then she had found some houseware stuff. I guess people were asking. So she had found some miscellaneous houseware stuff, and it was back like, well, oh, here. Yeah. I already opened the box, but I can see the date that she shipped it. She shipped it March the 18th, 2024. So it was this year earlier. But I knew at that point that I was going to be moving into here. And so I knew I was going to need some decor, that I could, store stuff, put some stuff in. And although I have plenty of things, they're boxed up and I have no idea where anything is. I mean, which I hate to spend on household stuff, things like this, because I have stuff. I have plenty of stuff. I just can't get to the stuff. So in here, I unboxed it because I'm not feeling well. I'm having a flare-up. The flare-up is mainly on my left side, which is my left ankle, my left knee, my left wrist, shoulder. It has slowly moved over to my right foot, and my hand is very inflamed. My knee so far, right knee isn't hurting too bad. So I opened it. Some of my boxes I've had my husband open for me, and some of these I've opened because it's just too hard. But this is what it looks like. So let me just put this down on the ground or on this stool. I'll take it out. So this is probably the item I'm going to show y'all twice. She had this on sale. If I can find the prices and stuff for you, I will. I like to show y'all the prices. I love to brag about the good deals I get and everything. But like I said, I'm in the middle of a flare-up, and I'm trying to schedule content because I'm going to need to spend the rest of the week after Thursday. I'm going to need to spend the weekend laying in bed as much as I can to rest. So I need stuff to edit. But this right here is a book that she had. And it was The Gospel According to Coco Chanel. And when I saw it on Kristen's live, and when she put it out, I said, I bought it right away because I knew I wanted it. I knew I wanted it. Okay, next is this little thingy. It is a little jewelry holder container. But what I thought I could use this for is to put my charms on it, and then I'll be able to display it on somewhere. Display it on somewhere, display it somewhere. Maybe in here or maybe over there. I like to change these around. I haven't been changing them because I've just been too tired. But, that it would be neat. I could put them here, display them, because I want to get to my charms and eventually kind of put my stuff back out to where I can grab them easier, because if I can get to things easier, it'll help. Eventually, I do have a table in here, but it's a pretty big table, and it's hard to walk around it to get to all the different things. So I'm looking at something that I can get that's kind of collapsible. I have something I'm thinking it might work, and so I might bring that over in a couple of weeks, but we'll see. We'll see. Other thing is this. I really love this one. I think I bought all this stuff. They're like, why is she buying it? But so this is a little wicker one. Loved it. The same thing. I thought I could put some SLGs or put something in here, and display them as well too. I don't know, like maybe something like that, just to have them like that, and just have some things around kind of doing that. This is kind of my thought process. So we'll see where what I end up doing, what I end up finding. She packed it very, very well. Lots and lots of stuff. Oh, I forgot about this one. This one, oh, really pretty. It's really heavy. This one I did have competition with this one. It is a tree. A tree. And I thought the same thing. I could carry it, put my charms and stuff on here. Actually, I had a subscriber. If you haven't seen the video, I'll link it below. Maybe if I can figure it out, because you can apparently those people who are smart can like say, I'm going to put it right here. I'll put a card here that has to do about the video that I'm talking about. So if you see a video there, then you can click it and go watch it. Because if I did that, that means I learned a new skill. If it's not there, then I will put a picture instead. If the picture's there, it'll be in the description box. But the other thing too is if I put it there and you click on it, doesn't that send you and then you don't watch this video? I don't know. You tell me if it happens, because I'm like, if that happens, I don't want you to leave this video to go watch that video. You can watch that video later because I need you to finish watching this video. I don't know. I'm so confused. I don't know, you people. I'm like, I'm so confused. Alrighty, so this was for the same concept. And I like trees. I like the whole story of a tree, the growth of the tree, the leaves fall off. There's a scripture about the tree, the branches, and things like that. If I can remember it, figure it out, I'll try to put it up here or put it in the description box or whatever. Which is one of the reasons that I'm partial to the trees, and and the family trees. I love the whole concept of a family tree, things like that. So I think that's all that's in this box. Okay, yep, that's all that's in this box. So that was just kind of a quick little haul as to what I got from Kristen D that had to do with homeware stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I just thought it'd be a little bit different content. It's stuff that I buy. That way I'll know. I mean, I buy everything online. This kind of stuff, I used to go thrifting and kind of do that. I can't do that. I physically can't do that anymore. So I love it when my resellers will find some of that kind of stuff. I bought a couple of mugs from Hadrian. It's Hadrian. He had that kind of thing. And, Kristen D has some stuff. So, I like that kind of, it's helpful for me. They're doing all the hard work. I'm just buying and they send it to my house. Alrighty, Beanbeauties, thank you so much for being here. Hope you enjoyed this, and we'll talk with you later. Bye-bye. Love you, Beanbeauties. Bye-bye.